Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find duplicate ledgers in Tally Prime. First, from the gateway of Tally, navigate to the chart of accounts. Then, select ledgers from the master's list. A quick way to start is by using the Alt+G shortcut, which opens the Go to functionality. This feature is incredibly helpful for quickly accessing various reports and masters within Tally Prime, saving you valuable time. Once the Go to menu is open, type Show More to expand your options. From the expanded list, select Ledgers under the Masters section. Now, carefully review the list for any ledgers that appear to have identical names or aliases. Pay close attention to similar opening balances or group assignments, as these can often indicate a potential duplicate entry in your books. To confirm if a ledger is truly a duplicate, examine its detailed information, including its group and opening balance. Next, generate a ledger vouchers report for each suspected duplicate. Carefully compare the transactions and entries within both reports. This thorough comparison will help you confirm whether the ledgers are genuinely redundant or if they represent distinct accounts with similar names. Before making any changes, it is crucial to back up your Tally data. Once backed up, you can proceed to merge the duplicate ledger into the correct, active one. Ensure all entries are accurately transferred from the redundant ledger to the primary account. Finally, after confirming all data is moved, you can safely delete the now empty, duplicate ledger permanently from your Tally Prime system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.